of the 400 meters. Mohammad Anas, the record holder, 45.21. Ayush Dabas, the meet record holder, 46.58. We'll give you the lineup. Here we've got a combination from 1 to 8, all occupied. Manu TS is in lane 1, 47.03. Kerala lane 1, Astik Pradhan of Odisha into Ritik Chaudhary, 47.02. In lane 3, in 4 is Rince Joseph, 46.54. Tushar Manna, 46.57 in 5. Vishal TK, 47.23 in the semi-final 6. Rehan CH, 46.94 7. And Ankit Pawar of Uttar Pradesh in lane number 8. We got 2 from Uttar Pradesh, 2 from Kerala, 1 Odisha boy, Delhi and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The 400 meters, once again, my favorite event. Butch Reynolds, how can you forget Michael Johnson? Go back into history. Alberto Montaleno was he, 400 and the 800. And there they go now, just one lap. Remember, it's all over in approximately 47-48 seconds. Onto the 200 now, onto the back straight. Difficult to understand because these are the top athletes at the under 23. Mohammad Anas, 45.21. Will the natural, the meet record of 46.58 go down the gun out here at the back there. Just about 200 meters to go. They'll soon come into the home straight. It will then be clear. We've got 4 of them bunched together. It's going to be anyone's game. It's going to be anyone's 400 meters. That's going to be the big one. Look at the lanes now. Look at the inside and the outside, right in the middle. I think it's Tushar Kanti Manna of Delhi. He's the one now skating through in lane number 4. And look at him there. Rince Joseph was it at the end, representing Kerala in lane number 4, or was it 5? But we'll wait for the confirmation to come up out here. So yes, that's the Rince Joseph, I suspect. So the official result 45.92, better than what he did in the semi-finals. The 400 meters, 1 lap, as I said, big names, the Americans, Butch Reynolds, and the greatest of them, Michael Johnson. The Jamaicans doing well at the 400 meters. This boy from Delhi, Tushar Kanti Manna, 46.57 in the semi-finals. Tell me, your coach in Delhi?
Sir, I'm an athlete in Sai NCOE Patiala. I'm training under Shah. He's from Gujarat and he's a very ambitious and very motivated coach I've ever seen. I'm very blessed to have him. He made me believe that I can do this. I'm training from the last 7-8 years and now I get the performance I wanted. But this is not the end. I'm going to do very well in the Asian Games. My target is to break the national record till the Asian Games. And I am very much confident that I'll do it.
You know, I asked him one question and he just went on like a commentator. I love that. You know, this is what the young generation of sportsmen are all about. They're not shy. They don't give you an answer in the ha, na, yes, no, but they make sure that they give you lengthy answers. And that is what you have to listen to the likes of Tushar out here. Tushar, why the 400 meters, number 1? And number 2, today India is bustling with 400 meters. Are you worried sometimes that you'll have to push yourself to get a place? The 4x400 meters team is outstanding in the world today.
Sir, my goal is to participate individually in the 400 meter, but I'll do participate in the relays as well. I believe, sir, winning a gold is not a big deal, sir. If I am not doing my personal best in the competition after so much training, I am not winning actually. For me, doing personal best every time is actually a winning. You are training so hard and you are performing. You are very less from your previous best. This is not achievement, sir. For me, doing your personal best is an achievement, sir.
Any hero for you in the world scene and in India?
In India, sir, my idol is Amol Jagab, sir. I like his strategy and his technique and mechanics. I do follow him. He's my friend and I talk to him. He's very he talked to me like a friend. He always motivates me and give me right direction and share everything from with me, sir.
And in the world stage?
In the world stage, Wade Van Nicholl is my favorite, sir. He's a world record holder.
Great athlete, of course. He's broken the American domination in the 400 meters.